This is so cool. I love this incense fountain. It's awesome. Check it out. This is supposed to help with your blood pressure and your breathing. It's supposed to help you sleep, relieve stress and anxiety. I thought it was pretty cool. I thought I'd buy it. The smoke actually goes down the fountain. It almost looks like water. It's so cool. Yes, Simba. What's the matter, Simba? Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Check it out. That's so cool. It comes in many different flavors or different scents. I got like 2 bags of these cones that are at the top, all different colors. They smell very nice, actually.